Okay, we are here, so we had to find something that we actually need, something special. So, where are you? I know where you are, but where are you? I don't see him. It's hard to find, but I still can't find him. Okay, whoa. I'm right here. Well, it's good to see you. You're already over here. Now, come on, let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. Wait. Wait for us. Okay, I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what either. Come on, let's go. Okay. I'm coming over there. Yep. Yeah. Wait for me. Wait for me too. Wait, we need weapons, so we gotta find something that we need. Come on. Alright. Oh, hello. Good to see you. You're welcome to be here. Oh yeah, you're welcome to be here too. I just came here to see what I really need. You wanted it? Oh well, okay. Well, if that's what you really want, you gotta follow me. Here is okay now. Now here is my office. So this is your office? Wow. Yeah, it's good to be here. Yeah, so good. Okay, guys. Okay, gal. Everybody, get into the other side. Okay, so how was your day? Well, actually, it was great. I was wondering if I needed a weapon, just in case for another henchman to come. A weapon? Is that what you really just want? Oh, a weapon? Because it doesn't ring you a lot. Well, yeah. The big deal. I don't know it. Well, guys, if you guys want to know, like right now, you actually, guys, just came to the right place. So, I found your weapon. You need it. So, hold up. Okay, I got a weapon that you really needed. Here.
Alright, here you go.
Okay, thank you. Come on, we can fight these idiot soldiers. Come on. Alright. Bye. But wait, do you need something? Wait! Okay, guys, we got this. We all got this. Okay. Now, come on, let's go. Hey guys. Let's go. Wait, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? These idiots. In here. Ha ha. Bar. Nope, heck no, you guys. Oh no, you don't, guys. You guys do not. You guys are going down. That's it. Oh yeah, I forgot. What are you gonna do? Oh, just stupid rat tat. You guano, you son of a guano. Got him. Yes. That's it. You're going down. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. Haha, that idiot is dead. Come on, guys. Let's go. We don't have all day. We've been waiting like since this whole time. Yeah, kill that idiot. Asshole. What?